Hi everyone. Today, we're reviewing the Fidelity HSA, a health savings account designed to help you save for medical expenses with significant tax benefits. With pre-tax contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses, it's a smart way to plan for healthcare costs. The platform is user-friendly, offering both web and mobile access. You can even invest your HSA funds in options like mutual funds and stocks, giving your savings the potential to grow over time. For many, this makes Fidelity HSA a flexible and efficient tool for healthcare planning. As a user of Fidelity, my personal experience has been very negative. My retirement benefits were transferred to Fidelity without my consent, and accessing my account online has been frustrating. Customer service is nearly impossible to reach. Calls are often dropped or met with high volume messages, and online support repeatedly redirects you back to calling. The lack of reliable support and unrequested account changes made managing my funds stressful and inconvenient. While the Fidelity HSA platform itself has strong features for saving and investing for healthcare, my experience highlights serious issues with customer service and account management. Anyone considering Fidelity should weigh the benefits against the potential for frustrating support experiences.